Hello students, today we will start a new chapter from your first flight book, two stories about flying. This is the unit 3. In this story, student, this is a very encouraging story. In this story we will see that how, fear and how you can overcome your fear and do something which you feel that it's not possible by you. This story is actually there are two stories actually. So the first story is his first flight. We are going to read two stories about flying. Two stories about what? About flying, related to flying. And the first of its stories is his first flight, and that is why this is the title story. Student, like a title song or a just like that. This is also a title story of the book. The name of the book is also First Flight, and we are going to read the story First Flight, which is written by whom? Which is written by Liam O. Flaherty. And then the second story is actually Black Aeroplane, which was actually somehow just lost in the darkness, but ultimately the pilot actually saved. Somehow he was just saved. And this story was actually written by Frederick Forrest. So but let's warm up a bit before we start the story. Since the earliest times, humans have dreamed of conquering the skies. You have heard and you have read in your previous stories, also in your previous classes, that human beings have always been quite fond of flying. They have always been attracted by birds and some other objects that can fly in the air. So humans have also want to fly like them from ever. But when they succeeded in that, once when they invented the aeroplane, they succeeded in flying, and today we can fly miles and miles in the sky for hours and hours. We can complete a journey of 1 day or 2 day in the air, and we can also go into the space through a spacecraft, and sometimes spacecrafts get lost also. The astronauts die also in crashes of spacecraft, and aeroplanes also sometimes crashes. But actually though it crashes, and there is a very little chance of your survival if once it crashes down, but still airways is considered as the safest ways in all communication. In all of the communication, airways is actually considered as the safest way to transport, safest way of transportation. Here are two stories about flying that we are going to read in this unit. The first story is actually about a young seagull. Seagull is actually a bird, student, and we are going to the first of the story. The first flight is actually about a bird. It was a young seagull, and it was very afraid to fly. People generally think that birds are born to fly, so birds, nobody can ever imagine that even a birds can also get afraid of flying. Is it possible? Sometimes we feel and we think that it's generally not possible, that a bird would get scared from flying, but it has happened generally, here in this story, that the seagull was very afraid to fly. But how did he overcome of his scare, of his fear, and how would he start flying? That's what we will see in this story. And how does he conquer his fear? It's all about conquering. The word conquer means overcome or capture something. So how does he overcome his fear? That's what we will see in the story. And in the second story, student, a Black Aeroplane, it is a very interesting story. As in this story you would see that how a pilot get lost in the darkness when he was flying his aeroplane, but somehow he just manages to survive from that position. He lost his direction, he lost the radar, he lost the he was actually lost from all air traffic control. He was actually in no position, but somehow he just survived. And how did he survive? That's what we will see in the story. This story is actually about a pilot who is lost in storm clouds. In the sky many things can happen, and sometimes strange and unpredictable things can happen. Flying in the sky, and that too of that height, above the clouds, it's very unpredictable thing. Though people say that airways is actually the safest form of travel, but still it can produce some unpredictable result that you would never hope or expect as a person. Does he arrive safe? That's what you will get the answer in the story. And who helps him in surviving actually in that sort of situation when he was got stuck in stormy clouds? How did he survive from that situation, and actually did anyone help him in surviving? That's what we will see in this story. So we will read the first story first. First thing first, it is always said, his first flight. Who is his? It is a bird, it is a seagull, and we will see the seagull's first flight actually. Seagull's first flight. And why he was afraid at first, that's what important. But student, there are many birds who naturally do not fly. There are many such birds such as kiwi, ostrich. These birds do not fly generally. So about them it is implemented that they are afraid of flying. Some of them do have the wings also, but still they do not fly because their weight, their body weight is quite too much to fly, and that is exactly why they do not fly. And you can associate fear word with them when it comes to flying. But the bird who generally fly, the flying birds, if they are afraid of flying, this is considered this is quite a surprise. But this happens here in this story with the young seagull, who was very afraid from flying in the beginning, but later on somehow he just learned and he just overcome of his fear. This story will teach you how you yourself can also overcome your fear, how you yourself can also conquer your fear or conquer your weaknesses. It's all about conquering and overcoming from your weaknesses. Just get rid of your weakness and get the success. This story will inspire you. This is a very inspirational story which will inspire you to overcome your weakness and overcome your fear and achieve what you want to achieve in your life.